Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly share to you what I got from Qoo10.jp. Yeah, it's called Qoo10.jp. I know it sounds a little weird. Yeah, it's Qoo10.jp. Yeah, it smells like Qoo10.jp. Yeah, it's Qoo10.jp. And I really love shopping from Qoo10.jp, aside from Amazon, of course. Yeah, those are my two favorite places to shop because it's very convenient. And what I love about Qoo10.jp is that they have a wide variety or selection of payment modes. It's very easy to pay through their website. Like you can pay through your ATM card, prepaid Visa card, all types of Japanese prepaid cards, and could also pay through banking. And the most convenient of all is that you can pay through convenience store. How convenient is that? So yeah, I really love shopping at Qoo10.com. .jp. Those who don't know what Qoo10.jp is, it's just basically an Asian-based online store. But all the products there are not limited with Asian products. They also sell quite a variety of stuffs, like from the United States, Europe, or whatever part in the universe you are, they do sell that. So yeah, that's why I love it so freaking much. So what I usually shop from Qoo10.jp is that I just really love my Korean cosmetics so much. Although they say that Japanese skincare or makeups or base makeups, skincare in particular, is a very good quality, but for me personally, I don't like Japanese skincare because I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I use Japanese skincare, it always clogs my pores, and yeah, it's not really good, guys. I've tried their very expensive ones, but it's no. Me and Japanese skincare is just not compatible with each other. No, I always get my skincare products from there because I love my Korean skincare so much. It's my yeah, it's really it suits my skin so much. It does not clog my pores, and it makes my skin super beautiful like the Korean skin, like crazy, guys. So yeah, that's what I always buy from Qoo10.jp is my Korean stuff. Yes, that's enough ramble, and let's get on with our mini haul. So what I usually buy from Qoo10.com is my moisturizer and serum. My favorite one is this one. Yeah, it's from the company called Ariani, and it's called SYN-AKE Intensive Snake Cream. So this is very popular in Korea. Yeah, they use, I guess they not only use snake venom, but they have also those snail slime incorporated in their skincare. So I like this one in particular because it really helps in preventing and minimizing my wrinkles, my fine lines, especially here under my eye area. It really works wonders, you guys. I have been recommending this to a lot of my friends and a lot of people, and they seem to like this too. It's kind of expensive, but you know, Korean stuff, they are kind of expensive, but it really goes a long way. You need a very little amount of this one, and it is a really good skincare product. I've been using this one since 2011, I guess. It's been 4 years, and I keep on trying to switch to another product. Like I always see every time I go to the drugstore and I see another Japanese skincare, and then I wanted to try this one and, you know, get off with this one, but I always come back to this particular moisturizer because it really works wonder, you guys. I also got this one. It's their Intensive Snake Moisture Serum. So I've applied this first and then this moisturizer. They go hand in hand. So this has a snake venom. I don't know, synthetic snake venom in it too. I know it sounds a little scary, but yeah, it's very, very effective. And for 4 years now, I think nothing happened to me. So the next item that I always buy from Qoo10.com is this one. Oh my gosh. What's this called? It's from the company called Helen Park. This is my all-time favorite powder of all. This is so amazing, you guys. You don't need foundation if you're using this powder. It's just, I think this is called their Miracle Magic. Let's open. Let's try to open this one because I forgot the name, the exact name. So this is their Multi-Magic Miracle Powder from Helen Park. This is my all-time favorite powder of all powders. I bought a couple of this. Yeah, I think I bought 5 of these powders. I know I'm so freaky, but I really stock up a lot, and I've been meaning to buy, and that's my first time using this one. It's from Helen Park too. It's their Beaming Mirror BB Cream, and when I saw the demonstration and this on their YouTube site, my gosh, it makes the girl's face so freaking awesome. Yeah, I'm so excited to try this one. I also got my favorite argan treatment oil from there because I like this brand in particular because it really makes my hair super healthy, especially when those times when I am doing a lot of things with my hair. I'm always curling, flat ironing, you know, all those stuff, those damaging stuff to your hair. So I really like this one. I don't know what company, I don't know, I forgot, but this is it. Yeah, and I bought this one, and you have a free, how many ml? I guess this is 25 ml. This one is 120 ml, and this one you have a free 25 ml, and it's very affordable. Yeah, better check this one, guys. And also I bought this sample anti-aging creams or serum from Innisfree. Yeah, I'm not so sure. This is my first time using this one, so I just bought the sample because I don't want to commit onto a full-size bottle because it's kind of pricey. So yeah, it is a 1mm sachet pack, and I have 20 of this, and it's very affordable. If you don't like, well, you can give it to somebody else's. So yeah, this is from Innisfree, and it has a picture here that says where you can use this product. Yeah, it's an anti-aging product. It helps in minimizing your fine lines, your wrinkles, and all that stuff because you know, let's be real here, guys. Getting any younger, and I'm showing some signs of, you know, fine lines here, and I at least wanted to prevent it, or maybe, you know, slow down the signs of aging. Slow down a little bit, just a teeny bit. And I hope that this worked because I bet this worked because most of my Korean skincare products that I bought really does work. And then I also picked another magic cushion from Michelle. This is my favorite BB cream of all time. Yeah, but this time I got the moisture one because I think the last time that I got, the one that I got was the cover one. Yeah, and this time this is the magic cushion moisture. Since it's already winter, so yeah, I wanted something super moisturizing. So this is how it looks like, and I really like this one. It's not as expensive compared to Laneige and other, what else, VDL or other high-end Korean cosmetics, but Misha is a little expensive compared to Etude House, yeah, cosmetics. So this is in between those high-end and affordable cosmetics, Korean cosmetics. So I like this one. Even in hot weathers, like when I was back in the Philippines, I always use my Misha BB creams and my cushion ones, and it pretty lasted on my face the entire day, even though if it's so humid and hot in the Philippines, because I was there, I don't know, but it was December and January. December and January is not very cold in the Philippines anymore. It's still pretty hot and humid there. So I've been using this like for a good 2 months there in the Philippines, and it really lasted on my face like from morning until night. So I highly recommend this one from Misha. It's my favorite. You need to check this out. You need to try this one, guys. I also bought a few of these liquid lipsticks from Qoo10.jp, by the way. I forgot to film because I don't know it I don't know where I put it, but I saw it together with my MAC products, and oh my gosh, I still have these ones. So yeah, it's a very pretty liquid lipstick, and mind you guys, it is very affordable. I guess I only bought each of these for like 100 yen, yeah, and I don't know, I forgot how much is the shipping, but shipping is pretty affordable. So these are the colors that I got. It is so pretty. I've tried one of these, and oh my gosh, I tell you, it's very long lasting. I even tried doing a swatch on the back of my hand, and I tried to put it under running water, and it did not come off. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. You need to check this one. I know from this company called MN Generation 2. That's the company. So yeah, I will have the link on the description box if you are interested with this liquid lipstick. It's just so amazing. It's not drying, it's just amazing. Last but not the least, I also got this iPad mini cover. This is for my daughter. I think the last time that I bought her a cover for her iPad mini was the first time that I bought her iPad mini. That was 3 years ago. So she didn't even complain that her casing was all, you know, rotten and everything. But I saw the last time we talked on Skype that, oh my gosh, the cover on her iPad mini was so ugly and dirty already, and like for 3 years, yeah, I think it's time for her to change her casing. So I went to Qoo10.jp and saw this pretty Hello Kitty, since she likes Hello Kitty so much, and she also likes the color purple. And so look how cute this one, guys. It has a gold Hello Kitty gold chain and a Hello Kitty pendant, and you could wear this as a bracelet, or you can just hook this here on your iPad casing. So yeah, I do hope that she will like this one too. So I guess it's all for my mini haul, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if you have any questions on all the products that I mentioned, please feel free to ask me. Leave all your questions in the comment section, or you can message me on my Facebook account, on my Instagram, on my Twitter, anywhere else, on all my social media accounts. And also I will have the link of the website on the description box, so make sure to check the description box if you are interested to shop at Qoo10.jp. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hauls and other videos to come. And always remember that makeup is not a math important to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next video. Love you guys. Peace.